There's one question that used to completely make me freeze. You know the one. Hey, what's the status on this project? And my brain would just stop. Because when you're juggling multiple different projects, every update leaves somewhere else. Slack, email, random notes, old meeting docs, and 3 different dashboards. Every update request becomes a scavenger hunt. So I built something that finally fixed that. Alright, let me walk you through how I use this. It's pretty straightforward. Step 1. Your project hub. Everything lives in this project hub. One place, all your projects. When you set up a new project, you add some basic details. And look, I know forms are annoying, but this literally takes 30 seconds. We have quarter, which is which timeline this belongs to, department, who owns this, status, where we're at, team members, who needs to know they're responsible, start and due date, which are the actual deadlines, and priority, effort, and impact. How urgent, how hard, how valuable. And honestly, you don't have to fill out everything perfectly right now. Fill out what you know and skip the rest. You can always come back. Step 2. Project details that actually help. Click into your project for the full view. Now here's where it gets good. We have your overview, your goals, the challenges you're dealing with, what's blocking you, what you're actually trying to ship. Basically, everything someone might ask you about in a meeting. Resources and links. Just dump all your files here. Design files, briefs, reference docs. No more making everyone play, wait, which Google Drive was that in again? And notes and decisions. This part has saved me many times. When your team decides something, write it down here. When you have a key meeting, capture it. Because 3 months from now, when someone asks, why did we do it this way? You're gonna want past you to have left you some breadcrumbs. Trust me on this one. Step 3. Milestones that make sense. See that purple Add New Milestone button? Click it. And number mine so they show up in order. It's one of the small things that makes a big difference. Future you will thank you. Actually, future you will thank you a lot throughout this whole process. Step 4. Tasks that actually work. Add tasks to each milestone in the task table. Everything syncs automatically. No manual work, no crying. Here's what I realized about task management. A basic to-do list just doesn't cut it. When I actually sit down to work on something, I need context. So every task here has everything you need to actually do the work. We have description, which is what you're doing. Acceptance criteria, which is what done looks like so there's no confusion. Subtasks, where we're breaking things into manageable pieces. Links and attachments, where we have everything we need without switching between 47 tabs. And comments and decisions, which is the full conversation history. No more digging through Slack from 3 weeks ago trying to remember what someone said. It's all right here. Step 5. The Manager Dashboard. The Manager Dashboard is your bird's eye view of everything. See what's in progress, spot bottlenecks before they become disasters, and actually have real answers when someone asks for a project update. You know, instead of that thing where you panic and say, let me get back to you on that, and then spend hours trying to figure out what's actually happening. Step 6. The Team Dashboard. The Team Dashboard solves the daily what should I be working on question. Each person sees only their assigned tasks. No information overload, no confusion. Stand-ups live in one organized place instead of getting buried in message threads. Blockers get flagged automatically so nothing gets stuck, and a quick navigation means your team spends time working instead of searching. Step 7. Stand-ups without the pain. Adding tasks to stand-ups? Click Add to Stand-ups and everything syncs in real time. Tasks, project, milestone, the whole package. One click, complete context, zero extra work. And it's completely customizable. You can even connect it to Zapier or other tools to automate reminders, sync updates, or send alerts automatically. Solo or with a team, this system adapts to however you work best. You've got 2 options here. You can buy the template and be up and running in 15 minutes. Links in the description. Or if you're more of a DIY person, I will be dropping tutorials soon on how to build this yourself. Either way works. I just don't want you to be scrambling 6 months from now. So here's my question for you. What's your biggest daily struggle? The thing that makes you think, why isn't there a system for this? Meeting notes that disappear, onboarding new team members, client handoffs, something else entirely? Tell me in the comments. I'm literally taking notes for the next build. And if this helped, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.